Here's a short little video. Some people are asking how to change a file that is mainly made up with RGB fills and bitmaps and stuff. You can see I'm selecting some of these different texts, and you can see on the bottom here they're all saying RGB. So how can I change all these real quick and simple? You can do this by using the Find and Replace tool, and go ahead up on the top here, select Replace Objects, and I want to change the color model or palette of all these things from RGB. I want to replace it to CMYK. I've go ahead and select all of these. Search range, I just only have one page. If I had multiple pages, I'd do all pages, and go ahead and click Replace All. And it just takes a few seconds. I click yes one more time just to make sure I've got everything. And now you can see CMYK, it's been changed from RGB to CMYK throughout. The one thing it did not change though was the picture. The picture is still in an RGB format. That can easily be changed by clicking on the picture itself, clicking on bitmaps, changing from mode from RGB, which is grayed out, to CMYK. Now the bitmap is in CMYK. And that's how you can change a file quickly from one color palette to another palette.